Hollywood, una ciudad impresionante que está creciendo a pasos agigantados y ustedes tienen la oportunidad de conocerlo a través del show y ver este maravilloso emprendimiento que es Costa Hollywood. Costa Hollywood, con ustedes, no se muevan, ahora vamos.
When we first envisioned Costa Hollywood, we imagined a world of no-limit enjoyment placed right alongside one of the world's most popular beaches. The idea was to take the condo resort concept in a new direction that connect with the surrounding and offer residents and visitors more opportunity to enjoy everything South Florida has to offer. It starts, of course, with our white sand shoreline and stunning intercoastal view, just a few steps from the front door, and it's a day at the beach or an afternoon of boating in warm Hollywood sun. But we wanted to go beyond that, which is why we add the resort aspect to the property. This is not only allow us to create a vibrant environment that always engage new visitors and guests, but also to give residents access to the best of the best service and amenities like they receive at an exclusive resort. At the same time, we also wanted Costa Hollywood to be a single destination that allowed people to access the full South Florida landscape. The whole Hollywood Beach Boardwalk has long been a favorite place for nightclub, restaurant, and entertainment. Las Olas and South Beach are also just moments away. People may also choose to pursue more relaxing activity like the Hollywood art and culture scene, and the many scenic nature preserve and park in the area. Even though the world surrounding Costa Hollywood is quite impressive, it's when you step inside the residence that you begin to see just how remarkable this property is. This is our true luxury residences with an unquestionable contemporary design. All units are fully furnished with interior that use soft neutral palette and dynamic red accents. These include designer living rooms, flat-screen television, private terrace with glass railing for breathtaking view, and number of high-tech innovation for high-speed internet, lighting, climate control, and security. Within the building, this same flawless attention to detail can be seen from top to bottom. From the beautiful landscape ground floor courtyard with its retail and shopping area, all the way to the rooftop bar and lounge with entertainment space on the Infinity Edge pool and sun terrace, everything has been designed to perfection. We invite you to claim your moment in the sun here at Costa Hollywood.
Usted también puede ser dueño de este maravilloso proyecto. Reservando ya su unidad solo con nosotros, recibe un regalo de $5.000 para compras en Bell Harbor al cierre. ¿Qué está esperando?